Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set pin lock on Poco phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on the setting. When you have been moved on the setting, you can see the screen, and from here you have to scroll on the down. Then after that, here you can see, you just keep scrolling and you can see here the password and security option, and here you have to click on the password and security. When you have been moved on it, here you can see the side the lock option, lock icon, screen lock. Okay, here is the screen lock. So just tap on the screen lock. When you click on the screen lock, here you can see the pin. If you want to set the pin lock, you can click on the pin right now. When you click on the pin, you can see here it's some important notice. Remember your password. If you don't remember, your photos, videos may be delayed. Okay, so try to remember your password in the present. Just click on the got it. When you click on the got it, from here you can type the password. Okay, the numbers. When you have finished to type, just click on the continue. Again you have to retype the password. Okay, when you retype the password, you just need to click on OK. If you want to check, you can check by just clicking on this I option. See, I check, I have written 1 2 3 4. If you want to hide, again just click on this icon, it will hide. If you finish to type the password, just click on OK. Here the password has finished to apply. If you want to set the fingerprint lock, just click on add and scan your thumb. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.